After that job came to an end, I applied for a job at a retirement home working at the front desk. It was part time, but I took it. Then I needed more money. I needed better hours because some days I'd work the 7 p.m. to 11 at night shift, and sometimes I work the 11 in the morning till whenever. And I had a young son at the time, and I decided I need to get something better. So I applied for customer service job at an Italian bakery. It was a family owned, very nice. I had 100 customers to call every day to get their bread order, their cake order, pastries, bread, you name it. I also took incoming calls. I went in at 9 and I did all the filing for the paperwork from the previous day, and then I sat and did my calls. Very nice place, loved it, had fun. But then the money wasn't enough because I had to work lots of overtime sometimes to make ends meet. So while I was there, I went to a vocational school and did take bookkeeping because I did bookkeeping in New York. So I wanted to refresh my skills. And as I finished work, there was a bus route right there. I would catch that bus and it would take me straight down to the school, which was perfect. As time went by, I learned to drive. I saw a job for bookkeeping, so I applied for it. I got it. So I left the bakery because they wouldn't give me a raise. I asked them for a raise a couple times and they told me they couldn't give me a raise. So once I was done with the classes, I didn't tell anybody what I was doing. It's my business, it's not theirs. I just went in, applied for a job, took my lunch break, went on the interview, came back to work, did what I had to do. The person called me back, tell me I got the job. I gave him my 2 weeks resignation. I gave my 2 weeks resignation at the customer service job at the Italian bakery. The wife and the husband called me into the office and asked me what was I looking for. At the time, back then, I was making like I think $7 or $8 an hour. That's what it was. When I started working for that, it was $5.25 an hour. That's back in 1990. And now the rate has went up to like all the birds are coming back. They're going back and forth. And I would think I was making $7.50, and I told them I wanted $10. And they told me at the time that was too much money, they couldn't pay me and stuff like that. So I went to school and did what I had to do. And then when I told them I got another job, when I gave them a resignation, they come into the office. Okay, we can work with you. We'll give you 10, 50 and stuff. I said that's okay. I am a person who like to keep my word. If I can't, I will say I can't. But most often than not, I will keep my word. I told them I have made a promise to the person I went and that took the time to interview me and offer me the job. I promised them in 2 weeks I'll be there. I've been here for over 2 to 3 years. You couldn't afford to give me anything else. I asked for a raise. You couldn't give it to me, so I went and find somewhere else that can pay me, and that person is willing to pay me, and I will do that. So I am sorry that it took you that long to offer me what I'd asked way back then. They were not happy, but that's just what it is. So I moved to the other job and I love it. I worked long hours, some days 60 hours a week. The money was good. I was making, I think, $12 an hour at the time. And I did the books and did the payroll. It was fun. And I worked there for like 4 years. 4 years, I think. Sometimes when your time is up in certain places. Yes, you need the money, and yes, you would like to go to the job, but it doesn't give you the same satisfaction anymore, the same joy. And I don't want to drag myself somewhere where I no longer know I needed to. So I'm telling you all of this to let you know. Stand firm for the things you believe, the things you know that will make you happy and bring you joy. I have worked many, many other places, but for myself. And it always gives me joy for where I work and what I do. So I'm saying for you today, if you have somewhere and someplace that you need to be, take steps towards it. Yes, I've worked all these places, but the experience that I gained, nothing can change that. Yes, I got fired at the first job. Of course, I wasn't happy. I was not happy about it. But did that prevent me from moving on? No. I went and do other things, and other things, and other things, and got me to places maybe I'd never been. Out to it got me to places maybe I would never even go. But because I kept putting one foot in front of the other, opportunities kept rising towards me. I'm telling you these stories about myself because I want you to understand you are not alone in this world. You are not alone. Rise up to the opportunities that are coming towards you. When you rise up, opportunities rise up. Don't pick any and everything. Pick the one that your soul and your heart desire. The one that makes you joyful. The one that brings you joy. And if you're in a job that does not bring you joy, find out what section of the job that is not bringing you joy, or what it is that is not bringing you joy, because sometimes it's not the job, it's us. So work on this. Work on that section of your life and see what you can change. And sometimes you have to change the whole goddamn job or the whole goddamn area or the whole goddamn office. And if you're in a position where you can't do any of these things, bring a big bouquet of flowers to your office and put it on your desk or in a location in your office where you can see it. So when you get in your office and things you're not feeling happy about being there, those flowers might go in. Those flowers might lighten that up. Don't give up on yourself. You are important. Be grateful for every moment. Be thankful for what you have. And if you want more, go towards that. If you're satisfied with where you are, then that's that. Don't try to change your satisfaction because somebody else is doing 10 things more than you. If the one thing brings you joy and satisfaction, stick to that. The 10 things might be bringing the person joy and happiness, and they're doing it and they like it. It might not do it for you because that's not what you want. If sleeping an extra hour in the morning helps you to have the brightest, happiest day, and you are able to do that, do that. But I just want to leave you encouraged and know that you are loved in this big, wide world, and you are not alone ever. Love yourself a little bit every day. say something positive to you every day. I cherish myself. I cherish myself. Kind words you can say to yourself. I love me very much. I am beautiful. I love laughter. I am kind to myself and others. I am worthy of everything good in my life. I am thankful for my husband. I am thankful for my children. I am thankful for my grandchild. And if you have more grandchildren, I am thankful for the birds singing. I am thankful to be alive. I am thankful to be outside. I am thankful to be able to see. And I am thankful for these glasses to help me to read. There is a lot to be thankful for. Just say one. One. Wake up in the morning and say, I am thankful to be alive. And if that's all you can say, that's good enough. If you can go all day and say different, you don't have to do that. Be thankful for the one. And then every day you add on to it if you want to. If not, you can say that one every day for the rest of your life, knowing that you are thankful and grateful to be alive. That's it. Don't make it complicated. Make it easy so you can navigate through it with peace, love, and joy. I am going to read because I am still on this book and I'm almost done. So I'm going to finish reading it today. And the birds are singing to you and telling you to have a wonderful, fabulous, gorgeous, glorious, prosperous day. Bye.